Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about the Full Moon Beanie by PremKnits, and I follow her on Instagram, and she was posting pictures of this hat. I think she started it at the very beginning of quarantine, and I was like, I must knit this hat. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. So of course, when she published the pattern, I bought it. Now it is, I would say, an advanced pattern. You have to know how to cable, and her cables are done in a different way than I would have thought they would be done. And I don't want to give it away because it's her pattern, but they're not traditional cables, and that's all I will say. So this is the hat. I did not swatch. I have a big head, and I kind of know my gauge as I've worked with this yarn before. This is Cascade Echo Duro, which is an undyed wool. So this is the actual shade of the wool, and I think they blended two shades together. But I love this wool. It's like super soft and comfy and warm. And this hat is just so comfy and amazing, and I wanted to make a video and review it. So for her pattern, it's a bare bones pattern. I wouldn't say it offers anything for the beginner. It's definitely an advanced to intermediate knitter pattern. I didn't have to talk to her or ask her any questions. So as for the actual knitting process, I found it to be like a 5 out of 10. So I was kind of annoyed at the cables because they're not traditional cables. So you're cabling a lot more than I thought I would be. But that aside, it went rather smoothly, and I was able to memorize the pattern as I went along. It also takes a little bit of a longer time to knit this hat because the brim is double brimmed, which makes it super soft and cozy and comfy and really, really warm on your ears. The most frustrating part of the pattern for me was the pom-pom. Now, she doesn't offer any instructions to putting it on a faux fur pom-pom, and I've actually never done one before. So this was my first experience with a faux fur pom-pom, and it makes the hat. It makes the hat just pop. But I found out I do not like faux fur pom-poms. They are actually really difficult to put on, time-consuming and annoying, and I don't think I will be revisiting faux fur pom-poms again. So, in closing, I love the hat. It's beautiful, it's amazing, it's warm, I'm wearing it all the time. It's my go-to hat for this winter. It's snuggly and comfortable and fits my large head perfectly. Am I gonna knit this hat again? Probably not. I think this was a one and done for me. So I like what I have here. I'm not really keen on revisiting the pattern just because it was more of a frustrating experience for me than I would love to continue this, and a fun experience. But I would buy the pattern again, and I would knit this once. I don't know if this is helpful for any of you guys. But all in all, I am very pleased. I love my new hat, and that's my review of the PremKnits pattern. I will link her Ravelry down below if you want to check this pattern out and knit it too. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.